Complete idiot look like a smarter than genius. And your brain is the reason why. Think about the smartest person you ever meet. Now, think about the confident person you ever meet. Usually, they are not same person. Why? Because confidence and competence are not twins. In many cases, they are enemies. And once you understand why, you will never look at a confident person at the same way again. Imagine you are in a room with two strangers. The first person speak without hesitation. Every answer immediate. Every opinion sounds certain. The second person pause before answering. They think, they hesitate. Who would you trust? Be honest. Most people choose first person because your brain not searching for truth. Your brain searching certainty. Let's test this idea. Imagine a guy who joins a gym. Day 1, nothing changes. Day 2, nothing changes. Day 3, nothing changes. Day 4, he will start to advise everyone. He walks differently, talks differently, acts differently. But his body has not changed. Strength is not changed. Result have not changed. So what happened? His brain rewarded the decision, not the achievement. The moment he took control of his life, his brain gave him a small taste of victory, a preview, a trailer, a chemical rewarded. And many people mistake that feeling for real growth. That's why beginners often become overconfident without earning result. But here the strange part is the more someone learn, the less certain they becomes. The beginners sees one answer, the expert sees many. Beginner says, I know. Expert says, maybe. That's why ignorance is often loud, while knowledge is careful. Most dangerous people are not who knows nothing. They are ones who know little. Think they are know enough. Because the moment you will stop to questioning yourself, growth dies. So the next time someone sounds incredible confidence, don't ask how confident are they? Ask, as you reality tested them at? Because confidence can fool you, confidence can fool thousands, but it can never fool reality. And sooner or later, reality expose everyone. Thank you for watching. Keep growing. See you in the next reality.